Hi everybody, welcome back into North Dakota today. Well, our favorite bi-weekly segment is back in studio. Good morning to John David Berdahl.
Hi, yes, hello. Good morning, happy Wednesday, right?
Absolutely.
Fall is here.
Back inside now because it's gross outside,
Yeah,
right?
exactly. That's what I was just, it's like, yeah, it's fall weather, and that's why I sort of
Yep.
picked this project for today. We're going to be working on torn paper owls.
Ooh.
Okay, so I have an example right there. I do apologize, I didn't send you the picture. I blame myself. You know what? I'm going to go out in the car. I'm going to go soak in the rain.
Okay, so like you mentioned, for this edition of This Is How You Make It, we're going to do some paper owls.
Yes, torn
What is
paper
our
owls.
first step?
So the first step is picking out perhaps a color of paper that you do believe that you're supposed to work with. So here we go, construction paper that I've got. I brought a whole bunch of different colors.
I'm grabbing this
Hold
purple.
this up so you can see like a whole bunch of different colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so some people ask me what's my favorite color. And I tell people my brain doesn't really do that. Again, I'm autistic, and we could talk a little bit about that, a little later, I suppose, in a few moments. But yeah, so the color that I had gravitated towards was yellow to start off with. I don't know, probably because it was so bright. I'm a June baby. That's when my birthday is.
That makes sense.
Yes, and so yellow was the color, but now I'm more blue.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
Maybe
I'm
with
not
the
really
weather.
certain why. Yeah.
It's bringing you down.
Love
Less
it.
sunshine.
Yes,
I have kind
absolutely.
of gravitated towards this sage green
Ooh,
color.
Nice.
Yes, I think
Okay.
we're going to do that. All right, what
Great.
is our next step?
And then we've got some pieces of paper here that you can tear,
Okay.
to make the sort of feathers that you're going to need. Here's some pieces of paper. I also went to Dollar Tree. All of this is from Dollar Tree. Okay.
Great.
No budget art. Right, that's really wonderful. But they also had these stickers, these sort of feather stickers that I got. Well, at least they have sort of on the back side. They've got
Cute.
sort of
A little
sticky parts on them.
metallic too.
Yeah, exactly. So we can add those to our project, absolutely.
Ooh.
And I think that would be really great. It would give it a different sort of, quality. It would give it a sort of shine or sheen, a sort of gloss, versus matte that the paper has, definitely, like this paper.
Yeah,
It's
so
very flat.
what would you recommend starting doing to build the owl shape? Do you draw first? Do you just start taping pieces?
Yeah, an individual could draw first. Absolutely, different types of owls. Do you know any species of owls?
Yes.
Oh, you do?
I know
Go.
the snowy owl, the barn owl, there's a horned owl.
I was about
Great
to say, there's a horned owl.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That might
And
be
then the
where my
not so-
knowledge ends.
And then the not so great horned owl.
Right, of
That
course.
guy, watch out for that guy.
The average horned owl.
Yeah.
Beware.
Uh-huh. Yeah, and I didn't say too, am I supposed to save the pun until we're on TV? And it's like, oh, this project's going to be a hoot.
But
Isn't that great? Isn't that
Love
great?
That
Oh,
was
whoa,
great.
I did it. That's probably why I'm still single.
well, speaking of that,
Yeah.
actually you have some very exciting news.
Yes, I do, yeah. And so I guess it's not news that I'm autistic, and I ought to say thank you so much for allowing me, a kid, with autism spectrum disorder, to be on TV and help out the community in this way. It's really wonderful, and parents, you work at it, you work hard, you work together. Everyone can make it, right?
Absolutely.
And actually, the title of this, This Is How You Make It, it's actually missing a word. It's This Is How You Make It Through. I don't write
love
that one down.
that.
But yet, this is art is the way you make it through togetherness. Anyway, so North Dakota Autism Center had emailed me. Here in town, we have, in West Fargo, pretty much, we have the North Dakota Autism Center, and they emailed me and let me know that Love on the Spectrum is looking for participants. And so many people have been shoulding on me, saying,
You should do
you
this."
should do that, and you should do that. And I was like, okay, all right, I'll do it. So I've been, I guess, in contact with them, and I sent them the particulars or something like that, and a picture of myself looking hopefully attractive or something like that.
Looking yourself, which is the most important part. And for
I think that's
people
important.
who maybe haven't seen that show before, it's one of my favorite shows, but can you kind of tell
I
our
haven't.
audience?
Sure, I was about to ask you, what is it really? I haven't watched it because I live it,
Yeah, fair enough.
so I
fair
don't
enough.
need to. It's like, but I hope it runs for 1,000 seasons,
I
from what
hope
I've
so,
heard.
too.
Yeah, and so go ahead. And I can talk about it too, what I had been informed.
I mean, it's essentially a dating show, but you see all of the contestants on a different range of the spectrum too. And so it's kind of navigating love life through different lens. And I think it's fascinating to watch and
Certainly.
also so heartwarming because the date stories are entertaining, of course, but a lot of them have happily ever afters. And there's actually a lot of couples from previous seasons still going strong to this day.
Well, that's great news. And there's
Yeah.
another show, The Good Doctor. Like, I haven't watched that.
Yeah.
And so many people say, like, you remind me of him. You know, it's like, I suppose, like, in what way? You know, it's like,
Fair.
I suppose on that show, there's flat effect that goes on, and he talks about perseverating, and that's getting on a track, your brain getting on a track and can't get off of it. You know, and it's like, oh, okay, well, that's neat. And I talk about all these things when I present about autism, too.
Yeah.
But let's get back to the torn paper owls. You know,
We
it's
will.
really cool. It's really cool that I get to probably be on Love on the Spectrum, and hopefully I find love forever and ever. You know, hooray.
Well,
You know,
we
that'd
hope
be
so
great.
too, and we're going to keep tearing this paper away, and we'll be right back with some more after this short break.